Yes, listeners, very good evening. So, we are starting with economics. In economics, सबसे पहले we are going to talk about balanced growth. Balanced growth is when there is increase in productivity, aggregate national income increase हो जाती है, capital investment and consumption grows. Now, when we are talking about the difference between economic development and economic growth, economic development is basically qualitative in nature, means जैसे standard of living वगैरह increase हो रहा है. Economic growth is related to quantity. Growth is always related to quantity. Then we have value of final goods and services. It is always related to GDP plus inflation level, that is equals to GDP real growth rate. Important thing, GDP is equal to GDI, and other important formulas are NIT is equals to indirect tax minus subsidies. Next we have market price is equals to factor cost plus NIT. So NIT is indirect tax minus subsidies. MP is equals to factor cost plus NIT. MP is equal to factor cost plus indirect tax minus subsidies. Now factor cost could be derived MP minus IT plus subsidies. Next we have net factor income from abroad. Means we have taken factor income from abroad minus factor income of non-resident in domestic territories. After that, simply we will talk about what is received minus what is paid. Means from abroad what is received, rent, wages, interest and profits, simultaneously minus what we have paid, means rent, wages, interest and profits. Now the important thing, when we are talking about domestic plus net factor income from abroad, then we get the national product. Another important thing is the formulas. NNP is equals to NNP is net national product, means it would include domestic product plus net factor income from abroad. And NDP is equals to NNP if NFYA is equals to 0, means net factor income from abroad is 0, then NNP is equals to NDP. Then next we have GDP plus GDI is equal to 2 GDI. Why? Because GDI, that is gross domestic income, is always equals to gross domestic product. Next we have NNP. NNP is equals to GNP minus depreciation. Net could only be achieved, net national income, net national product could only be achieved when the gross national product excludes the depreciation. Next we have NFYA is positive when inflow is more than outflow. This is very obvious. Net factor income could only be positive if inflow, means the things which are coming in our hands are more than the outflow. All right, thank you so much.